Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see what is conjunction and disjunction is. This is just another fancy name for and or. Now let's look at an example. Let's say we have two variables, let's say p and q, and we write conjunctions like this, p and q. We tend to say this is p and q, so this is conjunction, and this is p and q. And p or q, disjunction looks like this, p or q. This is called disjunction, and we tend to call this one p or q. Okay, now these are two things. Now let's look at the truth table for this one. Now truth table for p and q. Okay, so let's create the possibilities: true, false, and q has two possibilities: true, false. Now in this table, in order to be true, like in p and q, both of them has to be true in order to be true, otherwise it's going to be false. If one of them is false, it's going to be false. It's like a general pattern in mathematics. Whenever you have true and one false, the whole thing is false. So false or true, false. So the only one possibility where we can have true is both of them has to be true in and or conjunction. Okay, now let's look at the disjunction. In disjunction, at least one has to be true. If at least one is true, it's true. If both of them are false, it's going to be false. That's the truth table for disjunction. So p has two possibilities, true or false. Q has two possibilities, true or false. When both of them are true, true. When one of them is false, it's still true, because at least one has to be true in order to be true in OR. Okay, and here we have one is true, so it's going to be true. Here both of them are false, so this is going to be false. And that's the basic thing about conjunction and disjunction. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe.